Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'm going to talk about body composition monitor Balance from the brand Goki. So let's get started. This is not just a weighing scale. With this body composition monitor, you can actually check various things. Now, what all are the things that you can check? Let me turn this around and show it to you. Like, it talks about everything like the protein, the body fat percentage in your body, the muscle mass in your body, the BMI, metabolic rate, bone mineral content, body water percentage, and of course the weight. Now, other features are like it can be used for multiple users, like in a family 5-6 people can track their BMI, their weight, their body percentage and everything with this. Then it has automatic user recognition and query the last measurement result, and also weight capacity that it shows maximum is 180 kgs and minimum weight is 5 kg. Large display LED with backlit. Now unit, the weight comes in of course kgs, there is auto on and off, low battery and overload indication is also there, and you get 4 AAA batteries inside the box. So you don't have to buy them or you don't have to use the batteries in your house, you get this in the box. There are rewards and then Goki Cash. You have to scan and download the Goki app and you get a 1-year warranty. Dimensions of the product are mentioned and the weight of the product is mentioned. Now let's quickly open this one and see how this body composition monitor looks like. Okay, so this is the machine. You also get this user manual kind of a thing which talks about the product detail, how to use it. So again, you can read this, and this is the body composition monitor Balance. It's made of glass. The looks are quite nice, quite appealing. So it's made of glass and then it's full white in color. So even if you have kept it in the house, maybe in your washroom or in your bedroom, it really looks nice. And if I turn this around, then I'll show it to you. This also has this rubberized feet. That means the grip is nice. Wherever you will place it, it won't move here and there, and it has a nice grip here. And as I told you, these 4 batteries, AAA batteries were included in the box. I've put them here so that I can show you how to use it, and just you have to close the cover, and that's it. There is nothing much inside the box. And when I keep this here, this Balance body composition monitor measures everything, your BMI, your fat percentage, and how you can do that. You have to connect this via Bluetooth with your mobile phone. You have to download the Goki app, and once it's connected with your mobile phone via Bluetooth, then you can actually keep a track of every person in the family, and not just their weight but their body percentage, their fat percentage, the water levels in the body, everything. So just you have to on it. I'll just show it to you. As soon as I'm keeping pressure here, you have to place your feet here on the sides, not here, and the weight will come automatically in kgs. And once the final weight is there, it blinks the final weight 2-3 times. So what you have to do, if I'm keeping the weight here, whatever final weight it finalizes, that weight blinks at least 2 to 3 times there. Then you know that yeah, this is the final weight. Now few things you have to keep in mind before putting your feet here, that you should not be wearing shoes or socks. You should remove them. You should be bare feet. Your feet should not be wet. It should be dry when you are when you are standing on this, and always keep this on a flat surface. So don't keep this on a carpet or a mat. You should always place this on a tile or on a marble. Wherever you see a flat hard surface, this body monitor, composition monitor, should be kept there. So this is the body composition monitor from the brand Goki. It's a great product, looks very nice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.